So let's move to the last slide. So what I want to really give you here is just a futuristic view of what would what would be driving scientific discovery. And what we've discussed and all this lecture is how we can increase the throughput, how we can do or implement automation in biological tests. So you can see the way they did biological research before is that you have a lab person, you have or undergrad, but then you have one to process the data. You develop a theory. You say, well, I think a very smart graduate student will say, well, I think this might work, so process the data together, right? But now what is happening is that you have also a person who's developing the theory, and then you have people who works in the lab, but then processing the data from the lab is totally different. Like when I used to read bio papers 10 years ago, I don't understand them right now because they have totally machine learning tools. They have interesting visualization way to process these data. And they usually use also AI or machine learning to do that. Now, this is what's happening now. Now, in the future, what is happening is what's going to happen, hopefully, is that microfluidics or any other technology will do all the lab experiments. You don't even need to prep, like just a robot will come and put the sample on the next genomics or something like that. And then basically AI will process the data. Maybe AI will develop also theory, right, for biological discovery. Hopefully, I put a half a person here just because I felt bad that, so hopefully that would happen. But maybe also AI will develop theories, right, and understand biology. Yeah, an ideal world, right? So, so basically, and then this is how basically whoever is working right now works in an idea of automation and throughput through microfluidics is going to go to that. Hopefully, we're going to go to the next level where you have full or a total human AI convergence. And yeah, and that's it for this lecture. If anyone have any questions or comments.
How far into the future do you think that is?
Well, it depends on you guys. How much you guys are gonna start a company and automate these stuff for us. So